Today we have synaptic transmission. We're going to talk about the synapse, which is the gap that separates adjacent neurons or a neuron and a muscle. And we are going to talk such as like here, for example, this is one synapse, second, between two new neurons. We're going to talk about the types of synapses, structure of synapse, and the steps of synaptic transmission. The types of synapses we have axon-dendritic synapse between the two neurons, the axon between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of the second neuron. We have axosomatic synapse between the axon, the first neuron, and the cell body of the second neuron. We have axonic synapse between the axon of the first neuron and the axon of the second neuron. And we have the neuromuscular synapses, which is between the axon of the first neuron and the muscle. These are the types of the synapses that we are here, and we're going to move to the synapse is made up of presynaptic neuron, postsynaptic neuron or cell, and it's also made up of a space in between. We have here the presynaptic membrane, which is characterized by the vesicles, the synaptic vesicles, where the presynaptic neuron send information chemically by neurochemicals that we know them as neurotransmitters. And it's the second structure is the synaptic cleft, where it is a space that separates the pre from the post synaptic membrane. And at last we have the postsynaptic cell, where it contains receptors at the surface at its membrane in order to receive the chemical message. The steps of the synaptic transmission are: first, the arrival of the electrical nerve message at the end of the axon. Like here, we have the exocytosis of the neurotransmitters. Then we have the binding of the neurotransmitters to the receptors. At the postsynaptic neuron, and the nerve message is transmitted again electrically. So it begins electrically, then chemically at the synapse, then it continues electrically. And at last, we have the elimination of the neurotransmitter back to the presynaptic membrane. So the steps are the arrival of the electrical nerve message, exocytosis of the synaptic of the neurotransmitters into synaptic cleft. We have binding of the neurotransmitters to the receptors, and at last we have the elimination, as we found here, the elimination of the neurotransmitters back towards the presynaptic neuron.